Okay, Manish Tiwari wants to come in over here, Mr. Tiwari. Babulal Gaur now seems to have done a sudden U-turn. We've made the entire country hear what he said. Now he's done this volte-face in which he says he never blamed the Vajpayee government for inaction. He says the Congress squarely takes the blame. Do you believe the BJP is being hypocritical?
दोनों तरफ कांग्रेस की सरकार थी। 1984 में अर्जुन सिंह जी मुख्यमंत्री थे और उस समय राजीव गांधी जी प्रधानमंत्री थे। दोनों सरकारों ने सारे अधिकार हमसे छीन लिए और सारे अधिकारों के लिए कह दिया कि हम डिजास्टर एक्ट 1985 बनाएंगे, आपकी सारी रिलीफ देंगे, आपको सारी दवा का पैसा देंगे। और पिछले 15
साहब कांग्रेस के सांसद है मनीष तिवारी, आपके बयानों पर जवाब देना चाहते हैं, उनको मौका तो दीजिए। मनीष,
I think possibly I have a lot.
मैंने कभी कहा ही नहीं कि माननीय अटल बिहारी वाजपेयी जी मौनी बाबा हैं। मौनी बाबा थे माननीय नरसिंह राव जी, और वो बोलते ही नहीं थे, वो तो दर्द हिला के बात करते थे। और आप ट्विस्ट कर रहे हैं कि वो अटल बिहारी वाजपेयी को मैंने भी कहा, मैंने आडवाणी जी के लिए ये कहा।
Yes, Manish, go on, we can hear you.
करती है।
Well, if I think Mr. Babulal Gaur's memory seems to be failing him. He just now said that Mr. Atal Bihari Vajpayee asked him to go and see Mr. Prakash Singh Badal when Mr. Vajpayee's government was formed for the first time in 1998 and then again in 1999. On both those occasions, Mr. Prakash Singh Badal was the Chief Minister of Punjab. He became the Chief Minister of Punjab in 1997 and continued in that position till 2002. To the best of my memory, as I come from Punjab, Mr. Prakash Singh Badal, after his stint as Agriculture Minister from 1977 till 1977 again for a little short while, never ever held a portfolio in the central government after that. So I think Mr. Babulal Gaur is confusing facts.
Manish.
And let me jog his memory a little more. You know, it is not that Vajpayee's government was formed in 99. There was a government of the BJP which was formed in 1990. Mr. Sundarlal Patwa became Chief Minister in 1990, continued till the 6th of December 1992 when that government was dismissed after the dismissal of the Babri Masjid.
Manish, just one moment. Mr. Gaur is very agitated. He is saying, Mr. Gaur, मौका तो दीजिए एक सेकंड। आप खफा हैं, आप ये कह रहे हैं कि आपने बात नहीं की, तो मैं दोबारा चला के दिखाता हूँ। एक मिनट आप रुकिए, आप सुनिए, हम कुछ मिस इंटरप्रेट नहीं कर रहे, आप जरा सुनिए। आपने खुद क्या कहा, आपके खुद के बयान। Mr. Gaur, these are your own statements. Just listen in. I'm coming back and we'll take this debate forward. Give me a second, Mr. Gaur.
ठीक है, इनको गैस घोषित कर देंगे। बोलते नहीं थे वो, यूं कहते रहे। जब भी मैं कहूँ वो हाँ 20 बार को अर्जुन सिंह ने कहा आगे बोलिए। मैंने कहा नहीं पहले कह तो दिया ये ऐसे बोलते नहीं थे। मौनी बाबा थे, अब राष्ट्रीय नेता है, उनका तरीका है। इसके बाद जब उन्होंने मैंने कहा कि उनका पैसा कब मिलेगा तो उन्होंने यूं कर दिया। यानी इसका क्या मतलब हुआ? इसके बाद चले गए पार्लियामेंट में। मैंने अर्जुन सिंह से पूछा क्या हुआ, क्या कहना आज तक हम ही नहीं समझे, तो आप क्या समझेंगे?
वाजपेयी जी मौनी बाबा की तरह वहां बैठे रहे, मुंडी हिलाते रहे, कुछ कहा नहीं। गौर साहब, ये आपने खुद कहा, अभी हमने दोबारा चलाया।
नहीं, मैंने नहीं कहा। इसके लिए मैं अरे आपने ये मैंने नरसिंह राव जी के लिए कहा। आप उल्टा मुझको फंसाते हैं, ये वेरी बैड थिंग है। मीडिया के लोग ट्विस्ट करते हैं। आई एम वेरी सॉरी टू से, प्लीज गिव राइट इन्फॉर्मेशन टू द पीपल ऑफ इंडिया। यू आर मिसलीडिंग मी.
Sir, in your statement that you made to us earlier in the afternoon, you said you went and met Mr. Vajpayee and he said that nothing has happened for all these years. Now what will come out of it? These, Mr. Gaur, were your own statements.
Very, very sorry to say that you are not giving good information. You are making a wrong information.
We are merely reporting what you've said. I want to bring in headlines to this. Political editor Javed Ansari, who is listening to this. Mr. Babulal Gaur on national television seems to be having this sudden bout of amnesia and selective amnesia at that, Javed.
Well, certainly, and now he seems to be saying that he was not referring to Mr. Vajpayee, whereas in this bite he's clearly imitating Mr. Vajpayee's mannerisms, and as far as I can gather, the references to Mr. Vajpayee. And even if we take it, Mr. Gaur, at face value, look at the double talk of the BJP. We have Mr. Arun Jaitley's letter You have in possession Mr. Arun Jaitley's letter in which he gives a clean chit to Dow Chemicals. We have a copy of the election of the returns filed by the BJP before the Election Commission, where they've clearly shown returns of taking a lakh of rupees from the from Dow Chemicals, and there's a Citibank check. We've got the number, the branch, and everything. So I mean, what leg does BJP have to stand on this issue?